ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयम् नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम् सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् साक्षात् कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणम् तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणी नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे पुल्लारविन्दाय तपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः सर्वोपनिषदो गावः दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधेर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत् वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनम् देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम् भीष्मद्रोणतथा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी स्तोतीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरननदी कैवर्तकक्षेशवः पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलं गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटम् नानाख्यानककेसरम् हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितम् लोके सज्जनषट्पदैरहरः प्रेपीयमानम् मुदा भूयाद्भारतपङ्कजम् कलिमलप्रध्वंसिनः श्रेयसे मूकम् करोति वाचालम् पङ्गुम् रङ्गयते गिरिम् यत्कृपात्तमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम् यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः कुर्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तं न विदुःसुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमम् देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः।
ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः।
अथ पंचमोऽध्यायः।
अथ
अथ पञ्चमो
पंचमोऽध्यायः।
श्रीभगवानुवाच
श्रीभगवानुवाच
साङ्ख्ययोगो पृथक् बालाः प्रवदन्ति न पण्डिताः
साङ्ख्ययोगौ
साङ्ख्ययोगो
पृथक्
पृथक्
बालाः
बालाः
प्रवदन्ति न
प्रवदन्ति न
पण्डिताः।
पण्डिताः
एकमप्यास्थितः सम्यक् उभयोर्विन्दते फलम्
एकमप्यास्थितः
एकमप्यास्थितः सम्यक्
सम्यक्
उभयोर्विन्दते
योर्विन्दते
फलम्।
फलम्
यत्साङ्ख्यैः प्राप्यते स्थानं तद्योगैरपि गम्यते
यत्साङ्ख्यैः
यत्साङ्ख्यै
प्राप्यते
प्राप्यते
स्थानं
स्थानं यद्योगैरपि
तद्योगैरपि गम्यते।
गम्यते
एकं साङ्ख्यं च योगं च यः पश्यति स पश्यति
एकं
एकं
साङ्ख्यं च
साङ्ख्यं च
योगं च
योगं
यः
च यः
पश्यति
पश्यति
स
स पश्यति।
पश्यति
सन्न्यासस्तु महाबाहो दुःखमाप्तुमयोगतः
सन्न्यासस्तु
सन्न्यासस्तु
महाबाहो
महाबाहो
दुःखमाप्तुमयोगतः।
दुःखमाप्तुमयोगतः
योगयुक्तो मुनिर्ब्रह्मणक्षिरेणाधिगच्छति
योगयुक्तो
योगयुक्तो
मुनिर्ब्रह्म
मुनिर्ब्रह्मणशिरेणाधिगच्छति।
नचिरेणाधिगच्छति।
साङ्ख्ययोगो पृथक् भिन्न फलौ विरुद्ध फलौ इति बालाः प्रवदन्ति अज्ञानिनः प्रवदन्ति न तु पंडिताः। साङ्ख्ययोगयोः एकम् एकस्मिन् सम्यक् आस्थितः सन् उभयोः फलं विन्दते। उभयोः फलं किं तत्फलं निःश्रेयसं फलं मोक्षरूपफलम्। अतः तयोः फलविषये विरुद्धत्वं नास्ति। अतः यत्साङ्ख्यैः प्राप्यते स्थानं यत् स्थानं साङ्ख्यैः प्राप्यते मोक्षाख्यं स्थानम् इति तद् योगैः अपि। योगः ज्ञानयोग्यता प्राप्तिकारणं ज्ञानेन मोक्षः इति क्रमेण वर्तते। अतः यत् स्थानं मोक्षाख्यं स्थानं साङ्ख्यैः सन्न्यासिभिः ज्ञाननिष्ठैः प्राप्यते तदेव योगैः योगिभिः अपि प्राप्यते। अतः सांख्ययोगो भेदः नास्ति इति यः पश्यति सः पश्यति। एकं सांख्यं च योगं च फलैकत्वात् एकमिति उच्यते। मोक्षाख्यं फलम् एकं फलं प्राप्यते, अतः एकत्वम् एकः इति। तयोः भेदः नास्ति। क्रमेण वर्तते। कर्मयोगेन ज्ञानयोग्यता प्राप्तिः, ज्ञानयोगेन मोक्षः। किन्तु सन्न्यासः दुःखेन आप्तुम् अयोगतः इति कारणात् योगयुक्तः कर्मयोगेन युक्तः मुनिः अचिरेण ब्रह्म अधिगच्छति। मुनिः ब्रह्म अधिगच्छति। ब्रह्म इति पदस्य 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 अर्थः ब्रह्मात्मज्ञाननिष्ठा लक्षणत्वात् प्रकृतः सन्न्यासः ब्रह्म उच्यते। योगेन युक्तः कर्मयोगेन युक्तः सन्यासी भूत्वा अचिरेण अधिगच्छति इति अर्थः। ब्रह्म परमार्थ सन्यासं परमार्थ ज्ञाननिष्ठा लक्षणं तदेव ब्रह्म इति पदेन उच्यते। योगेन युक्तः कर्मयोगेन युक्तः परमार्थ सन्यासं युक्ते परमार्थ ज्ञाननिष्ठा लक्षणं अधिगच्छति, ब्रह्म अधिगच्छति। अतः कर्मयोगः ज्ञान संन्यासात् विशिष्यते इति भगवता उक्तम्। Further we have to see the shloka number 7. यदा पुनः
यदा पुनः
अयं सम्यग्ज्ञानप्राप्त्युपायत्वेन
अयं सम्यक् ज्ञानप्राप्त्युपायत्वेन
योगयुक्तो विशुद्धात्मा विजितात्मा जितेन्द्रियः
योगयुक्तो विशुद्धात्मा विजितात्मा जितेन्द्रियः
सर्वभूतात्मभूतात्मा कुर्वन्नपि न लिप्यते।
सर्वभूतात्मभूतात्मा कुर्वन्नपि न लिप्यते।
सम्यक् ज्ञान प्राप्ति उपायः तस्य भावः उपायत्वं तेन उपायत्वेन सम्यक् ज्ञान प्राप्ति उपायत्वेन। The status of being the upaya, the means for what? For gaining prapti, gaining of samyak jnanam, clear vision of the truth. Suppose ayam yada punaha ayam. When I am referring to this person, I am referring to this person. Who is that person? Yoga yuktaha. This person who is endowed with the yoga. Samyak jnana prapti upayatvam. Yoga is the upaya, enjoy the status of upaya, the means for gaining the knowledge of the truth. Therefore, when this person again, punaha, this person who is endowed with the upaya, therefore karma yogena yuktaha, that person endowed with the upaya for gaining the jnanam, therefore yogena yuktaha, as said in the previous shloka, brahma achirena adhigacchati jnana nishtha lakshanam sarva karma sannyasam achirena adhigacchati. That person, when he does karma, kurvanapi na lipyate. Even when he does karma, he is not touched by the karma, not tainted by the karma, the form of becoming a bhokta, karta and bhokta. Other words, all the words describes a person. The shloka begins with yoga yuktaha. That is why yogena yuktaha, this person. I am yoga yuktaha, yogena yuktaha, karma yogena yuktaha, endowed with karma yoga. Karma yoga means it is understood karma as well as upasana, as yeah, the means upaya for gaining chitta shuddhi and chitta nishchalyam. In other words, gaining sadhana chatushtaya sampatti. So karma yoga for raga dvesha nivrityartam, kama krodha adi nivrityartam. Without karma yoga, this reality given to the pratibhasika, the subjective reality, cannot go. A person lives in his own world. He has his own personal likes and dislikes for things and beings, raga as well as dvesha. In other words, the language of Panchadashi, Jiva Srishta Dvaitam. Pratibhasika, subjective reality is Jiva Srishta Dvaitam. That will go away only by Karma Yoga. Yes, certain, we wish for the things and beings. It's all adhyasa. That will go only by Karma Yoga. Karma Yoga is Ishvara. So therefore, from Jiva Srishta Dvaitam, we come to Ishvara Srishta Dvaitam, empirical reality. So therefore, Karma Yoga is important. That's what Panchadeshikara beautifully explains also. Jiva Srishta, how to come out from Jiva Srishta Dvaitam, like Karma Yoga. And Karma Yoga, when we say Ishvara, without Ishvara, there is no Karma Yoga. When we say Ishvara, therefore it is Ishvara Srishta Dvaitam. You be objective to this world, objective reality. Looking upon things as it is, not coloring the things with your wish and your emotions. So therefore, Karma Yoga, that is why Karma Yoga. We say in the language of Gita, Raga Dvesha Nivritti. So and Upasana Chitta Nishchalyam. Therefore, Yogena Yuktaha. The Yogena Yuktaha endowed with yoga, the person, he has gained the ability to manage the problem of this Raga Dvesha. Raga Dvesha, which are against the Shastra. Therefore, Shastra Viruddha Raga Dvesha, he manages. He doesn't allow them to supersede him. So doesn't allow the Indriyas come under the spell of this Raga Dvesha. Indriyasyarte Raga Dvesho Vyavastito. Tayornavasham Magache. Tau Paripantino. They are the enemies. So as Bhagavan said in the third chapter before. Tayorna Vasham Agache. Tau hi asya Paripantino iti. So therefore, Yoga Yuktaha. Without yoga, Karma Yoga, Jnana Vigyata is not possible and Moksha is not possible. Therefore, endowed with Karma Yoga, then that person is Vishuddha Atma. Vishuddha Atma Antakaranam. Yasya Saha. This Atma is Antakaranam is Vishuddha, purity of mind. Being endowed with Karma Yoga, therefore, the result is Atma Vishuddha Atma. The mind is pure, relative purity. Chitta Shuddhi. Chitta Shuddhi is cleansing the mind. Cleansing the mind by yoga. That is because there is Raga, Dvesha, Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya. When all these are there, Therefore, the kartrutva and bhoktrutva, all these are get reinforced. So therefore, all these, that's why they are all ripavaha. So all these have to be brought down, sufficiently neutralized. That is, for that means is yoga. And therefore, this person takes to Karma Yoga to begin with. That is a clarity. And by that, Vishuddha Atma, Shuddhatma Bhutaha, Vishuddha Atma, Shuddhatma Bhavati. Because in the mind which has got clarity, that mind only knowledge will take place. With the mind full of impurities and sense organs not mastered, and mind is also not under one's vasha, then jnanam is ruled out. So therefore, these are the prerequisites. And this person, yogena yuktaha, yoga yuktaha, vishuddhatma son, and also vijitatma, vishuddhatma, vijitatma, vijitaha atma, yena saha, the one who has mastered atma. Atma is antakaranam sharira manasangataha. The next word is a jitendriya. So here, therefore, atma, vishuddha atma, antakaranam. Here, vijitatma, we can take vijitatma to be antakaranam. Therefore, he has got shamaha, the one who has mastery over the mind. Or we can take mastery over the atma to be body. So he has disciplined himself. So body, the mind commands, the body acts accordingly. Body means body, the sense organs. The sense organs is talked about in the next word, by the next word, jitendriya. So vijitatma, we can take vijitaha atma antakaranam, one who has gained self-mastery over the mind. Shamaha, shami. And jitendriyaha, one who has jitani, indriyani, yenasaha, who has mastered, has gained mastery over the sense organs. Because sense organs are like the horses, which are not tamed. And five sense organs, they go in five directions, then the person is doomed. He cannot reach the destination. The sense organs has to obey the person, should be the faithful servant to the person. So, therefore, that is why there is a beautiful imagery of chariot imagery in the Kathopanishad. Buddhim atmanam rathinam viddhi shariram rathamevatu. Buddhim tu sarathim viddhi manapragrahamevacha. The Indriyas are compared to horses. Indriyani hayan aguhu. Siyagusteshu gocharan. Atmendriya manoyuktam. Bhokta iti aguhu manishinaha. Yastu avijnanavan bhavati. Ayuktena manasa sada. Tasyendriyani avashyani. Duštashva iva saratehe. That person is avijnanavan. Who tasya indriyani avashyani. They are not mastered. Like Dushta Ashwaha Iva. How can Sarathi control the Dushta Ashwa, untamed horses? Therefore, the Indriyas, which are compared to the horses, should be tamed. But Upanishad, we have seen, Yasta Vijnanavan Bhavati, Yuktena Manasa Sada, Tasyendriyani Vashyani, Sadashva Iva Saratehe. So Sadashva, like the good horses, tamed horses, that Sarathi can handle. So therefore, Indriyani Vashyani. So Vijitatma, Damaha, Dami Ityartaha. Person who has gained mastery over the organs of perception. So therefore, it means Antakarna Shuddhi, Shamaha, Damaha, All these are gained by practicing yoga and upasana, karma yoga and upasana yoga. Therefore, the person is, all these are description of the person. Therefore, the person is sadhana chatushtaya sampannaha. Being sadhana chatushtaya sampannaha, now, jnanam has to take place. Then only by jnanam mokshakyam sthanam prapyate. Then, after jnanam, if the person does karma, then karma, by karma, the person is not tainted, is not touched by, not affected by karma. Not affected by karma in the form of kartrutvam, bhoktrutvam, karma pala, the punya papa, all these things will not be there for that person because kartrutvam asti, aham karta iti. That ahankaraha is made, is understood as mithya. The ahankara. Brahma satyam, this jagan mithya, which includes this jivatvam. Ahankaraha. Therefore, Brahma cannot do karma. Everything being Brahma. Brahma arpanam, Brahma vihi. Brahmagno Brahmanahutam, Brahmaiva tena gantavyam, Brahma karma samadhina. That is the vision of the jnani. How can Brahma engage in karma? Therefore, karma kurvanapi na lipyate. Even though he does, he doesn't do. Therefore, na lipyate. Even though the person does, he doesn't do. Because in the presence of Brahma, the Upadhi functions, but Brahma doesn't function. That knowledge, yes. So, Upadhi dharma will not affect the jnani. So, therefore, kurvanapi na lipyate. Even though he does, he is not touched by the actions of by the action, results of the action. There is no papam, there is no punyam. In fact, all the papa punya, everything is gone. Yada pashyate rukmavarnam kattaramesham purusham brahma yonim. Yada vidvan punya pape vidhuya niranjana paramam samyam upaiti. Saw in Mundaka. When the person pashyate, when he sees Purusham Kartaram Isham Purusham Brahmayonim Tada Vidwan Jnani Bhuta Punya Pape Viduya. All the Punya Papa is Karmapala. They are gone. Niranjanam Paramam Samyam Upaiti discovers himself to be that Paramam Niranjanaha Paramam Samyamiti. So therefore, having gained a sadhana chatushtaya sampatti, that is the whole. That is, for getting that only the whole life is. Jnanam is in a fraction of second, like flash of lightning. Upanishad. Preparation takes a long time. Therefore, having prepared oneself for jnanam, sadhana chatushtaya sampannaha bhutva, then anantaram kim karaniyam. The person gains by shravanam, mananam, and nididhyasanam, gains a knowledge of the oneness of Jivatma Paramatma. Jiva Brahma Aikya Jnanam. That is by Shastra Adhyayanam. Gaining that is shown by the word Sarva Bhutatma Bhutatma. Sarva Bhutatma Bhutatma. It's a beautiful word. The compound. Sarva Bhutatma Bhutatma. It has, in fact, 5 words. Sarva Bhuta Atma Bhuta Atma. 5 words are compounded. Sarvani cha tani bhutani sarva bhutani. Karmadharaya. The compound is Karmadharaya. Purva kalaika sarva jarat purana kevala samanadi karanena. You have seen the Samasa Vidayaka Sutra. Then check later 2149. Dharmadharya Samasa. So Sarvani cha tani bhutani, all beings. Sarvani cha tani bhutani, sarvabhutani. Then Atma and Bhutaha, that another two pairs of first pair is Sarva and Bhuta. Sarvani Chetani Bhutani. Then Atma and Bhuta, Atma Bhuta. That is Mayura Vimsakadaya. Atma Bhutaha, Atma Bhutaha, Atma Bhutaha. Atma Bhutaha, Atma Bhutaha. The first pair, Sarvani Chetani Bhutani, Sarva Bhutani, At, Atma Bhutaha, Atma Bhutaha. Now this can be given by Sarva Bhutanam, Atma Bhutaha. Sarvabhutatma Bhutaha compound. Then following is Atma. Then Sarvabhutanam Atma Yasya Saha Sarvabhutata Bhutatma. That's how the compound is made. Sarvani Chatani Bhutani is all the beings. Sarvabhutanam Atma Bhutaha, the self of all beings, is the Atma of whom? That is Sarvabhuta. That person is Sarvabhutatma Bhutatma. Referring to the person for whom the Atma is, who has vision of the Atma is the Atma of all the beings. Means he has got Pratyekhatma Drishti. Pratyekhatma, the Atma which is Pratyek, it is the Atma of all the beings. Jivatma is Paramatma, who has discovered oneself to be the Atma of all. Atma of all, that is Samashti Paramatma. And that is Aham iti, Aham Jivatma, Pratyahatma, Aham Sarva Bhutanam Atma iti. Therefore, there is no difference between me, that is the Atma, and the Atma, which is conditioned by the many upadhis, other beings, Anya Praninaha. Therefore, for that person, this Anyesham Praninam Upadhihi is just like a wall, like space is conditioned by the walls of the pot. There are many pots. The jnani pot for him, the pot which has gained jnanam, he knows that pot space is one with the Parakasha. Therefore, he sees all the pots are nothing but the space only. The walls do not separate the spaces. There is only one space, in fact. There is no spaces. So therefore, then how can the space being there, where the space can move? This is all pervading. Brahma all pervading. It is not conditioned, in fact, by the walls of the pot walls, that is this upadhi shariram. Therefore, kurvan api na lipyate. Therefore, that person now is a jnani. When being a jnani, kurvan api, upadhi does, but he doesn't do. That is why na lipyate, that is why it's not affected. It's not affected by Punya Papa. That is why Vidwan Punya Pape Viduya Niranjanam Paramam Samyam Upaiti, the Upanishad. The Kurvanapi na lipyate. This is the stage to attain which we aspire. For that, all these things one must fulfill, we must gain. Yoga Yuktaha San Vijita Vishuddhatma Bhutva. Shuddhatma is the most important. Siddhat Atma Antakarnam should be pure. Should not think based on one's notions and wishes, ideas, because it is not true. It's all subjective superimposition. It's like the Rajju Sarpa. What is there is only Rajju. Over that, you If superimpose Sarpa and you are afraid. That is Jivasishta Dvaitam. We live in our own subjective world. We all, in fact, that is the world most of the time we live. We comfortably live, not realizing. To come out from Jivasishta Dvaitam is not an easy thing. That is why Karma Yoga. You have to bring in Ishvara in every moment of your life. Without Ishvara, there is no Karma Yoga and there is no Yoga Buddhi. So Ishvara means you are in touch with the empirical reality. Be in touch with the empirical reality, not conditioning your mind, your subject by subjective reality, Pratibhasika. So Vishuddhatma and Vijitatma, Bhutva, Jitendriyaha Bhutva, Sarvabhutatma, having gained the knowledge of the oneness of all the beings. That is one way. Samanam and by Mananam and Nididhyasana and Nishta in that Jnanam. That person, Vidwan Bhutva, Jnani Bhutva, Yadi Karma Karoti, Karma Karoti, Karma Karoti, Karma Karoti, Ito na Karoti, Kurvanapi na Karoti. In other place we saw Kurvanapi na Karoti. Here Kurvanapi na Lipyate. Kurvanapi na Karoti, Kurvanapi na Lipyate. In the previous chapter, we saw that when I was talking about the Sarvakal Sankalpa Sannyasi, Kurvanapi na Karoti. Similarly here also, Kurvanapi na Lipyate. Namam Karmani Limpanti, Name Karma Palespraha. Bhagavan says, Namam Karmani Limpanti, no karma affects me. It means Bhagavan is Jnani, embodiment of knowledge. Therefore, Karmani na Limpanti. The same year, Kurvanapi na Lipyate, when it is there for Bhagavan Brahma, who is Akarta, Bhokta, there is no Punya Papa attached to him. Similarly for the Jnani also. Karmanyabhi pravrittopi naiva kinchit karoti saha. The previous chapter we saw. Even though he engages in karma, but naiva kinchit karoti. In fact, the next shloka is going to explain, comment on this word, kurvanapi na lipyate. Naiva kinchit karomiti yukto manyeta tattavite. Pashyan shundvan sprashan jighan nashtan gachin swapan shwasan pralapan visajan grindan umishan nimishan napi indriyani indriyateshu vartanta iti dharayat. But this shloka is a commentary on just this kurvanapi na lipyate. Even while doing, is not affected by karma because he doesn't do. That is why he is not affected by lipyate. There is lipyate, there is karmani priya. Tamam karmani limpanti. So no, karma doesn't affect the person. Affect the person in the form of karma pala, that's papa punya. Therefore, there is no punya, there is no papa. Therefore, there is no purarjanma. The Jnani's life runs only by prarabdha. It is just till survival, till the body survives, till death. No, Bhashyam. Yogena yuktaha, yoga yuktaha.
योगेन युक्तः योगयुक्तः
Vishuddhatma, vishuddhasattvaha.
विशुद्धात्मा विशुद्धसत्त्वः
Vijitatma, vijitadeha.
विजितात्मा विजितदेहः
Jitendriyascha.
जितेन्द्रियश्च
Sarvabhutatma bhutatma.
सर्वभूतात्मभूतात्मा
Sarvesham Brahmadinam
सर्वेषां ब्रह्मादीनां
Stamba Paryantanam Bhutanam
स्तम्भपर्यन्तानां
स्तम्भपर्यन्तानां
भूतानां
आत्मभूतः
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 आत्मा प्रत्यक्चेतनः यस्य सः
आत्मा प्रत्यक्षेतनः
आत्मप्रत्यक्षेतनः
यस्य सः
यस्य सः
सर्वभूतात्मभूतात्मा
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 सम्यग्दर्शी इत्यर्थः।
सम्यग्दर्शी
सम्यग्दर्शी
इत्यर्थः।
इत्यर्थः।
सः तत्रैवम्
सः
सः
तत्रैवम्
तत्रैवम्
वर्तमानः
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 लोकसङ्ग्रहाय
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 कर्म कुर्वन्नपि न लिप्यते।
कर्म
कर्म
कुर्वन् अपि न
कुर्वन्नपि न
लिप्यते।
लिप्यते।
न कर्मभिः बध्यते इत्यर्थः।
न
न
कर्मभिः
कर्मभिः
बध्यते
बध्यते
इत्यर्थः।
इत्यर्थः।
योगेन युक्तः योगयुक्तः तृतीया तत्पुरुष समासः। One who is endowed with yujudhatu, nishta pratyaya, akta pratyaya, referring to the person. Yogena yuktah. Yatatita Bhagat Sutra. Tritya Tatpurusha Samasaha Yogena Yuktaha. Karma Yogena Yuktaha. Yoga is Karma Yoga. Endowed with Yoga. And Vishuddhatma, Vishuddham, Vishuddha Sattvaha. Satta Atma is Sattvaha. Satta is Antakarnam. Antakarnam is formed by the Sattva aspect of the Panchamahabhuta. That's why it's called Sattva. Because in the Antakarnam only there is thinking, there is knowledge, and that implies Sattva. Therefore, Sattva referring to Antakarnam. Vishuddham, Vishuddhaha Atma Yasya Saha, Vishuddham Sattvam Yasya Saha. The one who has got Shuddha Sattva, pure mind, Shuddha Sattvaha. Then the word Shuddha Sattvaha, Shuddha Sattvaha, it is used in the Upanishad. Where वेदांत विज्ञान सुनिश्चितार्था संन्यास योगा यतयः शुद्ध सत्त्वाः. Famous chant. When sannyasi comes, it is chanted. Te brahma lokeshu para antakale paramrita parimuchanti sarve. The Shuddha Sattvaha. So Antakarma means Shuddham. Because all the malas are sufficiently neutralized. Cannot go completely. Sufficiently. Because Brahma is Shuddham. To know Brahma, the person has to become relatively Shuddha. That is the Vishuddha Sattvaha. Then Vijitatma, Vijita Atma is Degaha Shariram iti. Shariram is body. So Jitendriya comes later. Therefore, Deha is, you can take Deha to be Karmendriyani. So Vijita Degaha is Jitendriya. The next word is that also Indriya is a, and here, therefore, here we cannot take Atma to be Indriya. Atma meaning Deha. Deha means body. Body is consists of Indriya. Dasha Indriyani and Antakranam, Manashekam, Buddhisteka, so all this Dega. But here we can take Dega to be Karmendriyani. One who has mastered Karmendriyas. Because Jnanendriya is in the next following word. Therefore, we can take the body here meaning Karmendriya. Vijitendriyani, Vijitendriyaha, Vijitani Indriyani. That is Degaha, Karmendriya. The Indriyas, Karmendriya obey him. So yes, complete mastery over the Karmendriya, like the the Apasmara under the feet of Dakshinamurti. So he keeps everything under his Vasha check. Then Jitendriyaha, Jitani Indriyani, Yenasaha, Jitendriyaha, referring to the person. All these are Bhagavati. Jitendriyani, one who has mastery over sense organs. Then Sarva Bhuta, Bhutatma, the Bhashakara himself gives the Vigraha Vakya. So Sarva Bhutatma, Sarvesham Bhutanam. What is Sarvesham Bhutanam? Brahmadinam Stamba Paryantanam. Starting from Brahmaji up to Stamba, smallest grass. All the beings. Sarvani Tani Bhutani Tesham Sarva Bhutanam. Brahmadinam Stamba Paryantanam. Brahmaji is the greatest. Stamba is the greatest in terms of everything. Total. And smallest is land, this grass. So therefore, Sarvesham Bhutanam, Atma Bhutaha, who is the Atma of all the beings, or the Atma Bhutaha. And that Atma is Pratyak Chetanaha, Pratyahatma, Chetanaha, Chetan, the compound, Pratyak Chetanam, Pratyang Chetanam, Yasya Saha, Atma Pratyak Chetanaha, Pratyahatma, that Atma of oneself, Pratyahatma, the self, one's, for whom the self is the self of all. Therefore, Sarva Bhutatma, Bhutatma, Saha, Yasya Saha, Sarva Bhutatma, Bhutatma means Samyak Darshi, who has got clear vision of the knowledge, the truth. Samyak Pashyati, Yaf Pashyati Sapashyati. He has got clear knowledge, clear vision of the truth, the vision of Ekatva, Jiveshwara, Aikyam, Samyak Darshi. Darshi is the Darshaha Asya Asti iti Darshi. So we have to take Samyak. Samyak is Abhiya. So Samyak Darshi, like Tattva Darshi, Tattva with personal is Darshi. Tattva Darshi, the word occurred in the mini shloka before, second chapter. Same thing here. Here it is Samyak Darshi, the one who has got clear knowledge of the truth. Samyak Darshi. Sarva Bhutatma is, that is Jnanam. So, therefore, Samyak Darshi, the Bhashikara, he says, one who has got clear vision of the truth, Samyak Darshi. Saha tatraiva vartamanaha. Being in that avastha, tatra eva vartamanam. Remaining in this vision of the truth. Remaining in this knowledge. In this truth. Tatraiva vartamanam kutra atma avastha, jnana avasthayam vartamana san. Then what he has to gain? Why should he do karma? Loka sangrahartam eva karma karoti. He doesn't have anything to gain by karma, but still does karma. So loka sangrahartam, loka sangrahaya eva karma karoti. Kurvanapi nalipyate. Even though he does karma, loka sangrahartam sangrahaya chaturthi sampradana. Lokanam sangraha is welfare for the good. Loka hita. Lokanam hitaha, lokanam sangrahaya कर्म करोति. यद्यपि करोति तथापि न लिप्यते न बध्यते Karma bihi na badyate. By karma is not. So karma bihi kartar karnayos tritiya. Yeah. Karma do not bind him. Karma is karta. Karma do not bind that person. Karma bihi na badyate. Lipyate is na badyate. Badyate bandhanam. How bandhanam is possible? Bandhanam is possible by making the person enjoy the pala in papa punya. Papa punya goes to the person, therefore the person has to reap the result of the karma. So that if the person is jnani, is a jnani, therefore how can this karma pala affect him? He is samyak darshi, sarvabhutatma bhutatma. Therefore he is not bound by, because jivas are bound by due to karma pala. Karma pala alone binds a person, therefore only the person is a samsari. Why the person is samsari? Because of ajnanam. Because of ajnanam there is karma pala. Therefore punarjanma, the samsara chakra. When knowledge is there is no avidya. Therefore when avidya is gone, along with the avidya, all the offshoots are also gone. Therefore na badyate karma bihi na badyate iti. Ityartaha, this is the meaning. Then Gita Priya Bhodani will quickly read the long one, but then finish it. Yaha कर्मानुष्ठान संप्राप्त चित्तशुद्धिः जितेन्द्रियः सर्वात्मभाव मापन्नः ब्रह्मवित्तमः सः शरीरं कर्म यत्किञ्चित् कुर्वन्नपि न लिप्यते इति यः सः, that is यः कर्मानुष्ठान by कर्मानुष्ठान he has gained चित्तशुद्धिः and he is जितेन्द्रियः सर्वात्म bhavam apannah, oneness with all the beings. Apannah, he has gained that oneness knowledge. Brahmavittamaha, he is a Brahmavittamaha. Monk, Brahmavitti is Brahmavittamaha. Saha, Shariram karma, even though he does karma, Shariram karma, but he is not bound by, he is not touched by karma. Karma na lipyate. Yoga yukto vishuddhatma, jitatma, jitendriyaha. सर्वभूतात्मा भूतात्मा कुर्वन्नपि न लिप्यते. योगयुक्तः इति. योगयुक्तः is योगेन युक्तः. What yoga? कर्मयोगेन युक्तः, कर्मयोगयुक्तः, योगयुक्तः. Chiram is long time, for long period of time. Anushtita karma yoga ityartah. He has observed karma yoga for a long time. Therefore, he is endowed with yoga buddhi. और यद्वा मुनिः ब्रह्माधिगच्छति previous shloka इति मुख्य संन्यास अधिगमः अधिगमस्य उक्तत्वाद् योगयुक्तः योगेन संन्यास योगेन ब्रह्मनिष्ठा लक्षणेन युक्तः. That meaning also we can take. Munir Brahma Achirena Adhigacchati said, therefore, is endowed with the yoga. Yoga is what yoga? Sannyasa Adhigamaha. Asya Uktatvad. Sannyasa Adhigamas Chirenadi Gacchati, Brahma is Sannyasa, Jnananishta Lakshana Sannyasa. Therefore, Nachirena Gacchati iti, the previous shloka said. Therefore, here the word yoga can be taken as Sannyasa Yoga. Sannyasa Yoga is Brahmanishta Lakshanena Yuktaha. He has got the vision of, he has got the Nishta in the Brahma, Nishta in the Jnanam, knowledge of Brahma. That our meaning also can be taken. Chiram Anushtita Samadhi Yoga ityartaha. Yes, observe the Samadhi Yoga, having practiced this for a long time, he has been Nishta. Tataha eva, because of that, now he has become completely pure. This is total purity. You can never think of harming others. You never think of, never can entertain all the Durguna, Sama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Ragno. All this will not be there. Tataha eva, Tasmad eva. Because of that, he is Vishuddhatma, Jitendriyaha, विशुद्धः रागद्वेषादि दोषैः निशेष वियुक्तः आत्मा मनः यस्य सः विशुद्धात्मा. Because he is completely freed with no leftover of all these dosha defects, ragadvesha, etc. So therefore by that Yuktaha Atma Antakaranam Yasya Saha, that person is Vishuddhatma. This is due to knowledge. So here Acharya, the Shankarananda gives a different interpretation. This is due to the knowledge. Jitendriyaha Vishuddhatma. Tataha eva Jitendriyaha. Tataha Tasmadeva, because he is Brahma Jnana Nishtha Lakshanena Yuktaha, therefore Tataha Jitendriyaha Jitani Vishya Grahanam. This is born out of knowledge. Therefore, he is naturally Jitendriyaha. As a sadhaka, Jitendriya was practiced. It's a sadhana for the sadhya. Now, after the sadhyam, this becomes natural for the jnani. Therefore, tataha eva Jitendriya. Therefore, only it's called Jitendriyaha. Jitani Vishya Grahana Vaimukyam Prati Prapitani Ubhendriyani Yena Saha Jitendriyani. So, Vaimukyam is extrovertedness. Vishya Grahana Vishaya, Indriya goes towards the Vishayas. Indriya goes, Indriyani, Indriyateshu, Ramante. That Indriya, now what happens is, yes, made Vasha. Naturally, it becomes spontaneous and natural for this person. Yata Kurmaha, Angani. I said in the Sitapragya, in fact, that shloka is in Sitapragya Lakshana. When the Kurma, Rasamharte Chayam, Kurmangani Sarvashaha. Indriyani Indriyateshu Tasya Pragya Pratishtha. That is what Acharya here, in fact, is points out to this line. The Shegrahana Vaimukyam Prapitani Ubhendriyani Chitani. The Indriyas which have the tendency to go out, that yes, Jitani conquered. It means mastery. This mastery is born out of knowledge. So therefore, Vishuddhatmatvam Jitendriyatvam Cha Chirakala Samanushthita Samadhi Eka Labhyaha Taha Vijitatma. This is gained by samadhi, that is nishtha. Therefore, only is Vijitatma. Vijitatma Atma Yatana Dhriti Swanta Swabhava Paramatmasu Iti Abhidanat Javidanat Vijitaha Nirjitaha Niryapitaha Atma Swabhavaha Bhagyavasana Laksharaha Yena Saha Vijitatma. That is the meaning of Vijitatma. One who has this Atma, actually gives the meaning of Swabhavaha. Bhagyavasana Lakshanaha, the Lakshana, the Bhagyavasana, the tendency. Bhagyavasana is the past impressions. Bhagyavasana, that is Jitaha. Atma, that Swabhava, the natural tendencies of the person before Jnanam, whatever it was there, that habitual tendencies, natural tendencies, that the person, yes, conquered. Therefore, Jitatma. Samadhi Nirmulitana Atma Vasanaha Ityartha. By Samadhi, all these years completely uprooted the previous old tendencies. Samadhina Nirmulitana Nirmuli the Anatma Dharmadya Nirmulita Anatma Vasanaha. All the Anatma Vasana. Agya Vasana is Anatma Vasana. All Anatma Vasana, Atam Shariri Aham Shariravan iti, all the, because of that, there is the karma, there is a certain tendency which has formed before. All this, yes, completely uprooted by knowledge. That is possible only by knowledge. Tataha eva, therefore only, sarva bhutatma bhutatma, sarvesham, dharmari samaparyantanam, bhutanam, praninam, atma bhutaha, in the form of atma, all the beings, starting from Brahmaji up to smallest plant. Surpa bhutaha, atma, it is pratyahatma, pratyek lakshanaha, swatma, swasyatma, that is self, oneself, is the self of all the beings. Yasya saha is sarva bhutatma bhutatma. Then Acharya quotes from Andaka, Prano Hesha Sarvabhuta Vibhati, Vijanan Vidda Bhavate Rativadi, Atma Krida Atma Tikriyavan, Hesha Brahma Vidham Harishtaha. That is not said, but this is from the Mundaka. Ahameva Vidam Sarvam Ityadi, Shrutyartha Anubhutya, in keeping with the Shruti, Artha Anubhuti, and Swanubhutya, keeping with the meaning, words of the Shruti, and also it is the Anubhuti of the person. Therefore, I am alone in the form of all these beings. Jagat. Therefore, Sarvatmatam Apannaha, who has gained the Sarvatma Bhava, Atma was Sarvatma Bhava is who has gained the knowledge of oneself to be the Atma of all the beings. Saha Yaha Brahmavittamaha is the Brahmavit. Among the Brahmavit is the Utkrishtaha Brahmavittamaha. That comparison is made. Brahmavittamaha. Brahmavittamaha Brahmavit. Saha Sharira Yatratam. Just for the maintenance of the Sharira, whatever karma is that यत्किञ्चित् वैदम् अवैधं वा कर्म कुर्वन्नपि वैधम् अवैधं वा विधिना बोधितम् or विधिना बोधितम् that karma is which is to be done vidina bodhitam avaidam whatever may be the karma vaidham is vidina bodhitam that is ordained by the shastra or that is not ordained whatever karma he does by that karma tena punyena apunyena apunya is papa na lipyate is not tainted कर्मणि अकर्मत्व दृष्ट्या न श्लिष्यते कर्मणि कर्मण्य कर्म यः पश्येत् अकर्मणि च कर्म यः so कर्मणि अकर्मत्व दृष्ट्या that is knowledge dharma is akarma cannot do karma so कर्मणि even though he doesn't do therefore karma न करोति therefore he is not touched by the karma phala ननु लोक संग्रहम् इत्यादि शास्त्रेण कर्तव्यतया प्राप्तानां शास्त्रीयाणामेव कर्माणि अमुष्य कर्तव्यत्वे शरीरयात्रार्थं कर्म इति शास्त्र विरुद्धमुच्यते इति चेत् न नो लोक संग्रहम् इत्यादि by शास्त्र कर्तव्यतया प्राप्तानां शास्त्र ordains कर्म this to be done for the loka sangrahatam iti therefore when the shastra says so Gita also says so loka sangrahameva api karma kuru iti but Sharira yatratam karmatve iti, when you say it is not, is it not contradictory? An objection is raised. No, we say no, it is not. Brahmaviddaha, and for Brahmavid, karma anupattehe, anupapattehe, when karma is not for the Brahmavid, Brahmevaham iti swasya avikriya, avikriya brahmatvatva vijnanena. Aham atma brahma not doesn't undergo any change. There is no kriya possible for Brahma by that knowledge. Nishesha vinashta mithya jnanatvat. All the mithya jnanam was destroyed. Therefore, tad viparita jnanaika bandhanasya karma yogasya asambhavat. Therefore, opposite to that which binds the person, that karma is not there. It's not possible for that jnani. Therefore, samyak jnanasya mithya jnana tatkarya virodha. Because karma is opposite to the knowledge. Both cannot coexist. Therefore, only kurvanapi na karoti. नहि अधिष्ठान ज्ञाने सति तद् विपर्य ज्ञानं तत् कार्यं च संभावयतु शक्यं तद् अधिष्ठानं ज्ञानं is there what can be adhyastha jnanam and rajju jnanam is there where is sattva jnanam therefore sattva jnanam is viparya jnanam when rajju jnanam is there in adhisthana jnane sati brahma is adhishtanam in adhisthana jnane sati tad viparya tat karyam it's not possible स्थानुज्ञाने चोरज्ञान तत्कार्य adharshana. When stanu, when a pillar is seen as a pillar, not as a thief, therefore darshana, when there is clear vision, kutastha asanga chidrupa eva atmanam apratihata vritya pashyataha, one who sees the chidrupa chidatma and it is kutastham atma which is not obstructed. One who has got a clear vision, vidushaha jnani, to anatma tadatmya anupapatto. There cannot be anatma tadatmya for that person. Therefore, tadatmatva abhinivesh nishpadyaha karma yoga swapne api na sambhavati. For that person, karma yoga is not even possible in swapna. The one that atma अभिनिवेश निष्पाद्यः तदा आत्मत्व अभिनिवेश निष्पाद्यः कर्मयोगः स्वप्ने अपि न संभवति for that person. Even in dream swapna is not possible. Karma yoga is not possible because karma yoga is possible only when there is tadatya anupatti with anatma. When tada atma abhinivesh nishpadyah, when there is atma Tadatma, then the Atma Abhimanam with the Atma, Brahma Abhimanam. Then for that person, How can there be karma? Therefore, swapne pina sambhavati. Vidhi vidhanadege sarvasya drishyasya mityatmeva pashyatah. All the vidhi, the rules and what is ordained, all these are for the ajnani, not for the jnani. All these are mithya. So mityatvam pashyatah videyatva. For that person, videyatvam rules are not possible. Videyatva asambhavacha. Therefore, yoga yuktaha munihi brahma adhigacchati. Yoga yuktaha brahma adhigacchati. Sarva karma sannyasam, that is jnana nishtha lakshanam adhigacchati. Sarva karma sannyasa avagamacha. There is avagama, understanding of the sarva karma sannyasa. That is knowledge. Atma is always free. Therefore, it doesn't have, there is no kartrutvam. Kartrutvam is superimposed on Atma. Kartrutvam and therefore bhoktrutvam. Sarva karma sannyasa is giving up through knowledge. Giving up karma through knowledge. That is knowledge. Therefore, Pashyan Shunvan, the next shloka he goes, Pashyan Shunvan ityatra Trayodashavida, 13 types of karma kriya. Tuyate, it is heard for the jnani. Na Vaidika kriyayaha Trayodashada karanatvam sambhavati. That 13 types of karma, it is for Sharira Yatra. Therefore, no Vaidika kriyayaha Trayodasha karanatvam sambhavati. There is no Vaidika karma for that person. विदुषः तु आहारादो देहेन्द्रिय चेष्टायाः तथा विदत्वात् संभवात् सर्वथा ब्रह्मविदः जीवन्मुक्तस्य वैदः कर्मक्लेशः न संभावितुं शक्यते. This is similar to what has been said before. The sharira yatratam karma karoti. Sharira yatratam. So aharadi etc. is there for the jnani. Therefore, dehendriya cheshtayaha, for the survival of the shariram. Dehendriya cheshta is action. Deha indriya. So tata vida karma, that karma alone is possible for that person. There is no karma ordained by the shastram. Shastra vigita karma vidhanam, it's not there. Therefore, that person, brahma vidaha, jivan muktaha, saha, vaidaha karma kleshaha, there is karma leshaha, there is no lesha of karma, which is vidina, vaidaha is vidina, bodhitaha, ordained by shastram, is not sambhavitum shakyate. So that is not bound by the karma enjoined by the shastram also. Tataheva uchyate tasya karinam vidyate. That is why he says, that's why it is said, there is no karma for that person. The tataha na kaschit, therefore there is no shastra virodaha here. Where is shastra virodatvam? Tasya karyam na vidyate. Shastra himself, Shastra himself releases from all the karma. In fact, the goal of shastra, that is Vedanta, that is moksha, is gained. After gaining shastra itself doesn't have any pravritti for this person. There is no scope of shastram for this person. Therefore, that is very shastra viruddha. Shastram has done to serve the purpose. Therefore, na kaschit shastra virodaha asti. Therefore, there is no shastra virodha for this person. Next shloka we will see next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Dhanyavadah.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
ధన్యవాదాలు జీ.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
ధన్యవాదాలు జీ.